Today we shortfall on equity. Reason being, some of my players have went for career progress. Since you know that we are the other side of the military, we must also progress despite the progress of the side of also the National League.
I thank God for the win, though we were prepared for this championship and we knew that the opponents are also equally good. So we came well prepared for the championship and we did our things well, though we were a bit sluggish in the second set. That made them took the set. We are still at the pool stages. So far we've lost one match. We are hoping that we are not going to lose another one, though we have another tough match tomorrow against KPA.